To assemble the Vive Compact Overbed Table, start by inserting tension rod B in the silver L-shaped pipe labeled C. Then, insert tension washer E onto the end of the tension rod so that it fits flush with the hole of the L-shaped silver pipe. Connect tension knob D to the end of the tension rod, but do not tighten all the way. Next, with the tabletop face down on a flat surface, insert the L-shaped pipe, then finish tightening the tension knob the rest of the way. Grab the black frame pipe labeled G and slide it onto the L-shaped pipe. Then, attach and tighten the height adjusting knob labeled F to the black frame pipe. Last, you'll attach leg H with the locking wheels to the frame using an included I labeled bolt. Then leg J with the non-locking wheels using the remaining I bolt. Note that the locking wheels should be placed with the lock facing out, flush to the pipe side of the table. This way they can easily be locked and unlocked while underneath a bed. Also, the tabletop height can be lowered and raised using the height adjustment knob F. The tabletop tilting position can be adjusted using tension knob D, which must be securely tightened after adjustment to prevent the tabletop from falling down. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below. For more information and other great products, visit us at vivehealth.com.